The people are cleaning my house today, and I should turn my computer on. Anyways,
I love this song.
this is my sister. She's making some little cups of Jello.
I don't usually look this bad, but I just woke up.
It's okay, I look bad today. I'm gonna spinach and scrambled egg white.
Are you making like a vlog?
Yeah, I have a bit of YouTube. You should watch it.
I think I'm on it.
What?
I think I'm on it.
Right now you are. She never compromised.
No, you shouldn't be making a vlog and eat at the same time.
I know, but I'm hungry. Guys, multitask. No. Some crazy weird people were cleaning the house. So, you know, I was gonna film, but then the camera died. And I went to Goodwill and got some overalls with them. And what else did I do? Oh, I went to Central Market. I'm gonna make a giant KP.
Equals lipstick again.
That's not very nice. Just gonna recycle.
Oh wait, did you make banana bread last night?
No. I just froze the bananas.
You still have those muffins?
No. Hey, so what happened at the store today?
Well, we were buying like 50 packets of Jello, and the lady at Central Market knew it was up. That's all.
She knew it was up. This is my cake stuff. It's gonna be so giant. Hey, that's gonna look so pretty. Mom's gonna come home for lunch.
That sucks.
The bucket of blood.
Get.
Let's see what's in here. Tortillas? I'll eat one first, so that if I get sick, I'll know not to feed it to the dogs. Hot.
I read somewhere like uncooked something can make them really sick.
I'm sure they'll love it.
It's like some kind of dough. I don't know if that's.
I got these strawberries like 2 days ago, and this one has mold on it.
Ew.
Do I eat them still? Are they all bad?
The one's got the mold on it.
Okay. Lily. Lily, Lily, Lily. Get out my way.